Hello guys, in today's video I will show you how you can delete a contact in Telegram. So first of all, of course, we gotta scroll a little and find our Telegram here. Mine is here. You will find it, of course, anywhere, like it's your phone, you will know where it is. I will show you this on mobile, so it's like much easier for you. But if you want a PC tutorial, you can always write them in the comments. Let's of course allow Telegram to access photos. Why not? It's our Telegram. So in Telegram, normally there will be contacts here, but if you have talked to anyone before on Telegram, which I usually don't use, but if you have them, it will also have another topic here, like a lot of people, your chats and everything, just like WhatsApp. Since I don't have one, I have my contacts that use Telegram. And if I want to delete them from Telegram, first, I gotta go click on one of them. Just click on any contact you would like to delete from your phone. I will just go on their name and see their profile. Of course, when I see their profile, I can always click three dots here. And when I click three dots here, it will have share contact, block user, edit contact, delete contact, and of course other different stuff which we don't normally need. If you are an iPhone user, it will have in edit contact, it will also have a delete contact feature, but since mine is not an iPhone, it doesn't have it here. For that, I have to go back, click these three dots up again, and say delete contact. It will ask, are you sure? And of course you will say yes and delete. Yes, right now they are deleted from our contacts and they returned to their original name. So when I go back and again, I do not see them anymore. So yes, they are now gone forever. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I hope it works perfectly for you too. Remember, if yours is an iPhone, you can also delete them from edit contact feature, but for Android, you gotta click delete. I hope to see you in the next video, guys. Have a great day and goodbye.